For us, it's a great honor to be a strategic partner to the most powerful country of the world, United States of America. We're also very grateful to President Trump, Vice President Vance, and their team for their contribution to peace in the Caucasus. Last August, Armenia and Azerbaijan in the White House, in the presence of President Trump, initialed peace agreement, and also we signed joint declaration on peace, which President Trump signed also as a witness. And for these 6 months, we already live in peace. We are learning to live in peace, and we're very grateful to the United States government for this great contribution. Not only we lifted all the restrictions on the transit of cargo through Azerbaijan to Armenia, but we ourselves started to supply oil products to Armenia, thus beginning actually trade and beginning cooperation.